Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we learned the first four letters in Arabic. Alif, B, T, Th. In this video, we'll try to learn the next three letters in Arabic. Gim, Ha, Kha. Let's start. Gim, Gim, Gim. Gim pronounced as G in English. G, G, G. Gim pronounced as G in English. The two words here start with Gim are Gamal. Gamal means camel. Gim, Mim, Lam. Gamal, Gim, Mim, Lam means camel. Gazar. Gazar means carrot. Gim, Zain, Re. Gim, Zain, Re. Gazar, carrot. How we write Gim? There's two ways to write Gim, and both of them are easy. Either you don't leave the paper just like that, and you make a little dot inside again, and you put little dot inside. Or there is another easy way. You know the C in English? Do it in this way. C in English, and you make just a little dash on the top, and you put little dot inside. This is Gim. Again, as C in English. And you put a little line on the top and one dot inside. Gim. This is how we write Gim. Ha. 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 Ha pronounce almost like a deep H, but try to get the air from the back of your throat. Ha, 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 ha. And the two words here is hoot, hoot, ha, wow, te, means whale. Hoot, ha, wow, te. Or haris, haris, ha, alif, re, sin, means guard. Haris. How you write ha? So just to make it easy for you guys, I said let's start with the C, as in English C, and you make a little dash here, and no dots on the top or inside, nothing like that. Some people do that, so like you don't leave the paper, you keep drawing it like a small line, then half circle. Okay, here you go, one more time. Just to remind you, Gim had a dot inside. Gim, the difference between Gim and Ha, the Gim had dot inside. So this is Ha, Gim. Ha, try to get the air from the back of your throat. Ha, ha, ha. But Gim pronounce almost like G, 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 as in Gamal. Ha, as in Hoot. Kha, kha. I tried to write it here in English to remind you with how we say it, but technically there is no kha in English. So try to learn how you say the name of this letter. Kha. kha, and pronounce again, KH is not the real pronunciation, but we're trying to make a link here or get it as close as it can be to you, but you pronounce it as a and I would love for you guys to memorize those two words because this is how you will remind you how to pronounce kha. Kharoof. Kharoof means sheep. Kha, re, wow, fe. Kharoof means sheep. Khiyar. Khiyar means cucumber. By the way, khiyar is kha, ye, alif, re. Kha, ye, alif, re. We learned previously how to write gim. So I was trying to make it easy for you by saying write a C, English C, and make a little dash or little line on the top. But instead of putting the dot inside as in gim, or no dot at all as in ha, now we're gonna put the dot on the top. This is called kha. Again, almost like C in English. And you make a little line here. And then you put dot on the top. So to review with you, the previous two letters are ha, C, with little line here. Ha doesn't have any dots in it. Ha. Gim. Has dot inside it. So this is ha. This is gim. This is kha. Ha, as we learn, you try to get the air from the back of your throat. Ha. Some people say it's almost like pronounced as H in English, but not really. And gim pronounced as G. And now we learn kha. Kha. Pronounce it as you pronounce it in kharoof and khiyar. Kha has dot on the top. Ha with no dot at all. And gim is with the dot inside.